going on, y'all? Welcome to another video. This time I'm actually doing something to the RCF. I haven't done anything to it yet. It's just been stock. Haven't driven it too much, maybe only 1,500 miles. Haven't done much, but today I'm planning on throwing on some blacked out emblems. Ignore the 350 part, just using the RC. Bought it off of like eBay. So throwing that onto the Lexus, replacing that and that. See how that goes. If you guys ever never debadged the car before, it's really easy. If you have dental floss or a fishing line or about anything, I'm gonna use this like old ID card I have. If you have a heat gun, even better, you can heat up the stuff so the adhesive kind of loosens up. But we'll start that process. This already has double-sided tape on the back of it, and this has a little adhesive. We'll see how strong that is. Hopefully it stays on, and yeah, we'll go from there. First one was super easy. I just put it on the back of it. God damn. But yep, came off. Now we'll get some glue gun or something so I can get all this residue off, and I could put the RC part on. This one I'm gonna be a little bit more careful with. But I don't want to break this just in case I want to keep it. This for sure not keeping. Ooh. But yeah, if you have glue gun, perfect for this. Cool. Hopefully you can see that. RC is on there now. It was pretty easy. These already had the adhesive. It seems like it's pretty good adhesive as well. Don't need much. I mean, it's a little small part anyway. Just gotta get this one too. I'm gonna look for a carbon fiber F badge for this. But now on to this one. Done. Damn, my ID card fell. But that was pretty easy. Stuck the ID in there and it tore through this. And this is gonna be a little headache to take off. But got it off. Look how shiny. Ooh, shiny. But same process. Just gonna take all of this adhesive off and then put the new one on. And that one already has the 3M tape. Now that'll be blacked out. That'll be blacked out. And then, like I said, I want to find like a carbon fiber F badge that doesn't have the blue trim around it, and slowly get completed. Get some other stuff. I want to get this blacked out. Maybe wrap the stuff that's around the window trim, and should be good. Let's see how this goes. Cool. So I just put on the Lexus logo. The RC emblem is on there too. And this is the final product. Very simple, but I feel like it makes a difference. That's blacked out now, and that's blacked out. If you ever contemplate either plastic dipping or just buying like already a gloss black emblem, just pay the extra money, get the gloss black one. The plastic dip peels and it just looks faded. This looks a lot more clean. This one was a little smaller than the actual trying to grab it right now, than this one. Just slightly smaller and a little bulkier, so it wasn't as precise of a fitment. But I mean, honestly, can you really tell? Probably not. So yeah, that's it. Let me know what y'all think about it. Catch y'all next time. Deuces.